So, yeah, Hello everyone. Today we are joined by Mr. Gokulram Krishnan, a session data engineering and analytics professional with more than 16 years of experience across industry, including financial service, healthcare, automotive, and energy. Over the course of his career, he has built and led global teams, worked closely with C-level executives, and delivered large-scale data-driven solutions that help organizations unlock the true value of their data. His expertise spans the entire data life cycle from ingestions and processing to analysis and visualization, and as well as both waterfall and I methodologies. Mr. Krishnan has held roles as management consultant, solution architect, and strategy data consultant, making him not only highly technical but also deeply experienced in aligning data initiatives with business strategy. He is also passionate about mentoring teams and driving innovations through data science. We are delighted to have him as a committee member of DSC Next, and we look forward to hearing his insights today. Uh, Welcome, Mr. Krishnan. How are you?
Thank you very much, Divakar, for the detailed introduction. I'm doing good. Excited for the next DSC conference.
Great. So we have a few questions for you. So shall we begin?
Yep, sure.
Okay. So my first question is to you. You have over 16 years of experience working across industry like finance, healthcare, and automotive. So what first inspired your journey into data engineering and analytics?
Yeah, I think as you mentioned, I have like 16 or 17 plus years of experience right now across all sectors or multiple sectors at least. And my inspiration for data engineering or the data analytics was due to the value of data that is brought as we start using it as part of the engagement. So when I started as a SQL developer, and I was doing like more data analysis from SQL aspect. But the way the organizations and the technology have evolved, for me contributing to organizations data modernization strategy and setting up their architecture pattern gave me more interesting roles and perspectives, and how the data gets used to create a greater customer experience and the global impact it creates. Specifically in the field of financial sector and healthcare sector, the way the data gets used is tremendous, and the value it creates is more useful for customers and building their experience.
That's wonderful. Thank you for answering my question. My second question would be to you that you have led teams across the globe and worked with C-level executives. So, what has been the most rewarding aspect of those leaderships experiences?
Yeah, the key experience in all the engagement is the opportunity to continuously learn and grow, and not all engagements teach you the same thing, or not all engagements teach you the same way. So the different phases of project do different things in different ways. So my learnings continue to iteratively grow, and it provides opportunity for me to see things differently. My personal learning has allowed me to be a mentor for my peers, and have made me manage teams while continuing to improve the quality of deliverables and optimize the project implementation. And as part of my experience, I also try to give back to the community. So I also mentor university students wherever I get an opportunity, either through my organization or even personally. So it has been a rewarding experience for me.
Great. So, as you know that next year we expect participants from diverse sectors. So, what do you think attendees will gain by being part of this DSC Next conference?
As the name suggests, right, data science conference, it is going to be like it is going to build inspiration for global data scientists to share their experience while also learning insights from the conference. With like the amount of leaders and data scientists across the globe taking part in the conference, it's a great idea from to like be part of the conference and learn across like from industry experts as well as the sectors. And similar to what success we had as part of 2025, I believe 2026 is going to get even more bigger. And I think it's going to be like probably a trendsetter for like future conferences to come.
Yes, you're right. That DSC Next, the next edition of the DSC Next is going to be like great as per the 2025. So yeah, my next question is to you. Like you have spoken at conferences worldwide. So what do you personally look forward to at the DSC Next 2026 in Amsterdam?
I think I would probably look at it as an extension of 2025. I'm looking forward to more topics on artificial intelligence, machine learning, algorithms, and modern concepts that gets discussed as part of 2026. I also feel the emphasis for data governance and data privacy rules to be talked about and discussed about, because that is going to make ethical use of data more important aspect. Even though like the title is data science conference, there is a clear expectation to have data profiling, data exploration topics as part of the conference to make it a well-rounded approach rather than just concentrating on the algorithms. If we are talking about how the data is getting used, how the data is getting governed, and how best the data can be created for value engagements, that's going to be my expectation for 2026.
Great. And what advice would you give to young professionals who want to build a career in data science and engineering?
Out of my experience, I would say like data science and data engineering are two important aspects of building like consistent use cases. So while data science is more of a modeling effort, data engineering is an entire life cycle which brings data from multiple different sources to a centralized location where we can apply transformation and curation logics to make it ready for data science model and other downstream consumptions. So for me, I usually go with the concept of 6 R's. The right data from the right source at the right time for the right purpose, govern the right way to deliver the right quality. So the reason I go with this concept is, with artificial intelligence coming into the picture, it is also important to note that the right use of the right data, for the right purpose is really important. Like we have to be very conscious of how the data is getting used rather than using data like as it comes. So if there is a medical reason for using some personalized data, that needs to be like clearly documented, and that's how the data needs to be used. Similarly, in financial industry, if there is a need for using any personal data for a specific purpose, that needs to be clearly documented. It needs to be like really reviewed and governed as part of legal aspects before it can get used. And I think with all these said, I'm definitely like excited and looking forward to like the 2026 data science conference.
Great. Thank you so much for answering my questions. And people who are watching this interview and would like to, if someone would like to connect with Mr. Gokulram, so what we will do, we will include his details like in the description so that they can connect with you directly.
Sure, sounds good. I'm looking forward.
Thank you so much.